In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a permanent invite link on Discord. So once you're inside your Discord and would like to get the link, the first thing you want to do is go up here to your server name and then click on it, and it says invite people as the second option, the blue text. You click on it, and then you can see the invite friends to instant how to tutorial, which is the name of my server. And then what you want to do is over here where it says your invite link expires in 7 days, you want it to say never. So there are two ways of doing it. The newer and the easiest way is simply by clicking set this link to never expire over here, and you've done it. Or the second way is by going to link settings, and you can change it from 7 days to however much you like. So you can change it to never over here, but you can also change it to 1 day, 12 hours, 6, 1 hour, 30 minutes, and etc. Okay, now you want to set it to never, as I said, and click generate a new link, and a new link will be generated. Just make sure that before you copy the link and send it to people, it says your invite link will never expire. Now then you can just copy the link and send it to whoever you'd like. And the best thing is then once you close down this menu and open it back up, as you can see, the link is still the same and it's still set to never expire, so we can always get the same link. Now I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.